The moving walkway.
So our flight just got delayed by like an hour 35 minutes because of arrivals per hour in Newark, and this is not the first time this happened. So we have about 2.5 hours in this airport till boarding. Luckily, there's a lot to look at. I've been to ORD a few times just for connections, I think. And when I was little, after American Airlines canceled on us, but I was very little, so I don't remember at that time. Yeah, I'm gonna try to get as far as the American terminal because I'm surrounded by a bunch of United planes, but maybe I could see some others. And I'm gonna try to see some other wide body jets too. United, maybe find a good place to plane spot as well. So yeah, I can get to Terminal 2. If I said Terminal 3, that was a mistake. Terminal 2 and Terminal 3, actually, yeah. Terminal 2 has other United concourses actually, for mainly United Express flights, but I think some narrow bodies, but not as many as these main two concourses. Okay, that's enough of me babbling on and on. Now let's see what there is to look at. So I'm currently in an American concourse in Terminal 3. And I'm actually getting like a lot of spotting shots. So I'm probably gonna make a separate video for all the spotting clips here at O'Hare. It would come after this trip report sometime in the near future. But yeah, so that'll be separate and more content to look out for. But I'm probably gonna head back towards the new gate C21, and maybe shoot some United B and C concourses, because I've really only, I've done some, but mostly American. So yeah, let's head back to Terminal 1 to the B and C gates. So, this delay has been both a blessing and a curse. It's a delay. No one wants that. I got up early this morning. I'm tired. I want to get in my bed, take a nice nap, because I have something tonight that is going to be even more tiring. But also, at the same time, I've gotten all that footage for a whole nother video for this channel, which is good because I won't be flying till January 17th to go back to Portland on a United 737 MAX 8, which is not that interesting for a trip report because I've already done it, but we'll see if I'll make another. And then spring break in March, I possibly have some special flights lined up, but we'll see. I'm not sure yet. But yeah, let's go back to United. And I haven't done much plane spotting on this channel. By the way, literally just one video at LHR. That was like 8 minutes of spotting. And now I'll have an O'Hare version. But obviously this trip report is out, and so you'll want to stay tuned for that video. I flew out of here actually about 3 to 4 years ago on a E170 to LaGuardia. It was just a connection from Denver. So there's both a Tokyo Narita flight and a Tokyo Haneda flight boarding right next to each other or about to board. And I mentioned before at the beginning of the video, this is my first time on United's Airbus A321NEO. It's brand new, looks really nice. So I'll be flying that in economy. And I've flown Deltas in Comfort Plus, and it was overall a good experience, but I think personally from what I've seen, United's product looks much better in economy at least. I don't know about first class, but economy, from what I've seen, it looks much better. But we'll see. We're boarding in about an hour now, so I still have some time. So the flight has been delayed about another hour and a half or so. So now we board at like 1:40. So that's fun.
attention as we get this safety video off and roll.
On each side of the aircraft. If the doors are open in an emergency, slide rafts will automatically inflate in a water landing located in a marked compartment in the aft of the aircraft. There are also 4 window exits.
They're light in a pouch under, between, or next to your seat. When directed, pull the tab to remove the pouch. If present, remove the strap around the pouch. Okay, people, Santa's coming to town.